Hello everybody, so today I will talk about physics. The topic today is about find the total capacitance. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the figure in here. We know that about parallel. We have C equal to C1 plus C2. About the series, just like this, we will have about 1 over C equals to 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 and so on in here. Similar for this one. So we will apply the formula to calculate. In this one, this is about the series. So I will put about the red color to highlight in here. We can find about 1 over C equals to 1 over C number 1 plus 1 over C number 2. So C number 1, that's about 8. C number 2, that's about 4. So this one we have 3 over 8. So the red one we can calculate in here. That should be about 8 over C because we have 1 over C. So if we want to find the C, we need to swap numerator and denominator in here. That's why we have 8 over 6, 8 over 3. And this is about microfarad. And now we see that the red one is parallel with the 8 microfarad. So I will put into the green one in here. So we can calculate about the green one. That should be about C equals to the red one plus C number 3. So we know that the red one we just calculate in here. That's about 8 over 3. And C number 3, that's about 8. So we have 32 over 3 microfarad. And now the last one, we want to find the total. We see that the green one and we have C number 4, C number 5, they are in the series in here. So we can find the last one. That should be about 1 over C equals to, we have the green one, we just calculate in here, plus 1 over C number 4 plus 1 over C number 5. So the green one, we have 32 over 3. We put in here. C number 4, we have 6. And C number 5, we have 3. So we sum 3 fractions in here. And we will have about 19 over 32. So the total we need to find in here. That should be about 32 over 19 microfarad. And this is approximate about 1.6842 microfarad. This is the end. Thank you for watching.